everyone. I'm Renuka Negi. I welcome you all on Ajayastromoneyguru, first global astrofinance digital channel. Today we are on a very special show, and we shall discuss on gold, copper, stock market, and economy. And today we are having a very special guest over here. So I welcome Col Ajay, who's a celebrity financial astrologer of global capital, commodity, and currency market, and CEO Ajay Astromoneyguru. Hello, sir. How are you? Good to have you here.
Thank you very much, Renuka, and a very big hello to all our viewers who are waiting uh, for big predictions on the stocks, commodity, and currency. We love to come across all you guys. All the very best. Good luck, Renuka.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, we would like to know, our audience would like to know about stock market and all other field areas. And my first question will be, stock market is at historical highest level, but economy yet to recover. Is there any connection between economy and stock market?
Very valid question, Renuka. You see what happens. This economy is still undergoing with a very hard phase, and whether it is
Hmm.
especially for the SME, small and medium and entrepreneurs, they are facing very hardship, especially industries and everything. But the stock market, contrary, you see that they are at the highest level. The census has crossed 60,000, and Nifty is also all-time high it been touched so far. So there's a very valid question that when economy is not yet settled just because of the pandemic, COVID-19, how come the stock market is rising so high and it is continuously under the rate? Yes, you see, as per the fundamental analysis, the stock market is nothing but the mirror of the economy. Whatever happens, it would be reflected first in the stock market. If you see that when the pandemic reported COVID-19, this was the first, you see the stock market has been crashed like anything, and everywhere for all over the globe, whether it is Europe, America, or Asia, everywhere the stock market were very heavily crashed, and thereafter the effect has been seen so far the economy. So I would like to say, I will conclude by saying this. So when stock market it is rising at historical highest level, so the economy will come again on the line, and probably next few quarters we shall certainly give the good news of the recovery of the economy also. Renuka.
All right, very well said, sir. So I would like to move to the next question about gold. Gold has seen highest volatility in spot as well as at commodity exchange. What is your view on gold in next 3 months?
Yeah, very nice. You see, the gold, it is not a precious metal. It is basically, it is a hedging tool. It is being used all over globe
Right.
for the volatility. Whenever the volatility increases, whether it is because of the pandemic or it is because of the geopolitical tension, you'll find the gold raise their prices very high. And last almost 6 months, you see the stock market, it is doing really very well. It is running very well. If you see the historical highest prices for last 6 months, so the gold is being trading so far with the 1618 US dollar to 1919 US dollar. So almost to 50 US dollar difference is there last almost 6 to 7 months. So last 3 to 4 months, you must, if you see the international market, must be hovering around 16 to 1700 dollar, or right now it is trading around 1760 US dollar right now. And if you see last 2 days, the highest volatility is being seen so far in the gold. So what I foresee, this is almost at a lower level. I don't think the gold from 1760 US dollar, so it may correct another 30 to 40 dollars. That's the big. This is not a big issue. But next 3 to 4 months, I believe the gold is likely to shoot up again, and it may cross 1900 plus US dollar per troy ounce in international market, as well as in multi-commodity exchange at India and a spot. And one more thing, you see, the Shraddh Paksh, it is already over. It is going to be over from
Right.
7th of October. You see, the Navratra would also be to be celebrated all over globe. So that would be, I believe, that will bring the good sign for the gold rise in the spot as well as an electronic exchange or commodity exchange. Renuka.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. These are very valuable answers we are getting for from you, and hopefully audience will you know they will see how valuable information we are getting from you.
Yeah, very
My
correct. You
next
see
question is,
the, yeah, because you see
yeah,
the what
yes, sir.
happens. Gold is not only very useful for the traders, but also it is a household thing. Even if you'll
Right,
find
right,
even the smallest of a small village, the ladies and even all families, they are very fascinated towards the gold, and they have something of other in the gold ornament shape. Renuka.
right. Moving to the next question, sir. What is your view on stock market time to invest or wait for correction?
You see, the stock market, it is always considered whenever it is on the historical highest level. So people try to avoid investing, and they
Okay.
try to invest whenever the stock market come down, and from the lower prices they used to invest, and they used to book profit at the higher level. This is their normal practice. But as
Mhm.
per the astrofinance is concerned, I believe this is a time for investment. We need not to worry about whether the Nifty it is touching around 18,000, or Sensex is 60,000 or so. So that should not be a matter of a worry. I believe
Mhm.
next 3 to 5 years, this is economy is going to rise, as well as if you say immediate short term between 3 to 4 months. I don't foresee any big crash whatsoever the region is. So this is the time to invest in the stock market fearlessly, and of course I would always suggest to go for frontline stocks and good industries. So that would be the choice of us. But so
Mhm.
far, with the Astro Finance is concerned, I don't foresee any major crashes nearby, maybe within 2 or 3 months time frame. Renuka.
Right, right, sir. So, my next question is, copper is one of the most important base metal. What is your view on copper at spot and commodity?
You see, copper is one of the commodity. This must have been, you see, seeing the lot of volatility fluctuation last almost 1 month. Otherwise, copper
Right.
was shining very well, and I don't think copper is also at almost at their bottom prices. Next two
Mhm.
months, maybe after say a couple of weeks, or maybe by end of month October, or rather
Mhm.
first week of November, I foresee the
Mhm.
very big jump in the copper, and that will be a sign of the recovery in the economy. And your first question, what I said, moment you see the great recovery in the copper, you'll see the economy will run very fast, because the copper is a particular industrial metal which indicates the speed of the economy. Copper rise mean the industry rise, copper rise economy rise, copper rise stock market rise. This is what my experience last 25 years. So we have to be kept very close watch on the copper movement. Renuka.
Wow, wow. So, we are loving the information we are getting right now. And moving to the next question. So, your view on best performing industries and sector and stock market next 1 year.
And Renuka, I think within the show you would give every damn thing to the viewers, whether be it coal, be it copper, be it industries. So you see, this is a good thing. I hope whosoever will be watching this show is
Yes,
certainly going to be benefit now next couple
yes,
of
yes.
months. So
Mm-hmm.
industry or a
Right.
sector, it is the one.
Mm-hmm.
You see, what I foresee next 2 to 3 months, the steel sector is looking very good, and not only steel, but also you see this paint stocks. They are also
Mm-hmm.
looking paint industry or a sector. They are looking good. Hospitality business, hotel business is one. They stuck very badly, and they hit very badly due to pandemic COVID-19, and almost their
Right.
stocks prices is being crashed like anything. And now the pandemic period is almost going to be over. Restrictions are being lifted so far. So I believe there's a lower prices. The hotel industry, hospitality business industry stocks, they are looking good. Next industry which are looking very good, that is the entertainment industry. You see the
Okay.
people who have suffered a lot due to pandemic 19, not because of they were affected with the pandemic. They were just locked in into the houses and they were not allowed to move out. So the people are just crazy to come out. So
Yeah.
entertainment industry also looking very good and at the lower prices. So I'll repeat again: the steel, cement, entertainment,
Mhm.
hospitality, hotel. These sectors are looking very good. And as far as stocks are concerned, I would like to suggest viewers to keep an eye on Tata Steel, Steel Authority of India, Tata, Indian Hotel, Taj, GVK. These are the hotel stocks. And for the paint stocks, you could have a look on Asian Paint and Berger Paint. These are the stocks you can see. And the Pidilite, one of the stocks which is looking very good, being the leader of the market. Chemical stocks are doing really very well. So you can keep an eye on Tata Chemical and Himandri Chemical. So these stocks are
Mhm.
looking really good. And banking, of course, banking industry, it is also rising very well. So I would like to keep an eye on HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. Yes, SBI Bank is also not bad, but I will focus more on private sector bank, HDFC, ICICI, Kotak.
Mhm.
These are the
Mhm.
bank, these are the stocks should be kept under observation. And if I'm not mistaken, if you somebody will go for timely entry in it at the lower level, and it
Mhm.
may quite capable to give good profit. Renuka.
Very well said. So, and we are hoping for the best, and we are looking forward to it, like you said, on the different deals and different areas. And my last question is, any stock as per you to focus on?
Yes, what I said to you that I'm having a very positive view, or and investors can keep an eye on frontline steel sector,
Mm-hmm.
uh, Tata Steel, Steel Authority of India. These are the stocks one
Mm-hmm.
can keep under observation. And Hindustan
Mm-hmm.
Copper, which may also rise, and tea and coffee
Mm-hmm.
stocks that can also be kept under observation, especially Tata Coffee. This is a global
Mm-hmm.
Tata brand, so that can also be
Mm-hmm.
kept under observation for the investment point of view. I think
Mm-hmm.
all these stocks, if somebody will just keep an eye or somebody will consider,
Mm-hmm.
so I think
Mm-hmm.
they will be able to make good profit out of it. Renuka.
All right. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to us on this show and for giving us your valuable time and valuable information. And I would like to thank all of our audience too. That we must have enjoyed the show, and hopefully you'll get great profit from it. And thank you all. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir,
you.
for coming
Thank
to
you
the
very
show.
much. Thank you very much. All the very best. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
all
you.
for watching this show, and I'll see you next time. Till then, stay tuned. And viewers, I would like to ask for your opinions, guidance, anything you want to tell us, and please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Uh, I'll see you next time. Till then, have a good day.